Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials day 78. As always, please make sure to read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Today I'll be showing you a warm-up exercise facing the bar, and the ideal footwear is either ballet shoes, barefoot or socks, however you feel most comfortable. Please make sure you have a clear area around you, free of any objects so you do not harm yourself or others. So we're going to start facing our surface and we're going to do ankle roll 1, 2, 3, 4, walk throughs 5, 6, 7, 8, pull the bra around 2, 3, 4, we're going to roll our feet into a first, 6, 7, 8. We're going to turn you front, 1, flex the foot 2, 3, 4. There's going to be encore, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Brush it through, 4, 5, 6, and a pull the bra to the side, 7, 8. Now the whole thing to the back, except we're going to turn you 1. I'm going to place the foot on the floor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really make sure you push off the floor, 2, 3, floor, and we're going to go plie releve into a balance. And we're going to repeat the whole thing to the left, straight up. 6, 7. We're going to roll through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. Pull the bra around. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!